Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to enable desktop site in your IQOO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your Chrome. Here it is. Then you have to simply click on three dots, click on settings, scroll down, click on site settings, scroll down, click on desktop site. You have to enable it and simply press back. Go to any of the site and friends, you can see it is in the desktop site mode. This is how you can enable it. If you want to mobile view, change into, just click on three dots, remove this desktop site, it will be in mobile view. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.